party, and this is Kenya first birthday celebration.
Happy birthday, sunshine all over us, it's raining smiles and laughter, everything ever after. So come on over, we're joy and house. So come on over, friends.
Readers of this party celebration, please welcome your proud and loving parents. A big round of applause for Mommy Kay, Zaddy Noel together with the princess of Fairy Tayland. Isang malakas na palakpakan for cute and adorable birthday girl. Please welcome Hannah, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so once again, please welcome the proud and loving parents. A big round of applause for the queen of Fairy Tayland, Mommy Kay, but of course, the king of Fairy Tayland, Zaddy Noel, and the princess of Fairy Tayland, the princess herself on your first birthday. Palakpakan for Kena. And to bless the party, I request everybody to please all stand to tayo lahat para sa ating opening prayer to led by Ninang Majoy for the opening prayer. Everyone, let's put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord. All stand up, let us pray.
Let's bow our head and put our presence in the presence of God. Good and gracious God, we exalt your name to you. We worship you. Panginoon, salamat po sa pag-iingat mo po sa bawat isa sa amin, sa pagpunta po namin dito na naka-arrive kami safe and sound. Thank you for the good weather, Lord, and we thank you for today because this is the day you made for Kenya.
Because I will look for your playmate. Marunong ka ba mag-sing? Dito ka lang. Kaya lang mag-sing. Inhale, exhale, and hold your breath and sing Happy Birthday, Kenya. Counted po yun ha, yung counted. 1, 2, 3, sing! Isa pa ha. Ito, Kena. Ganon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sing. 1, 2 seconds para kami! We have a better winner. Sit ka na dito. I-check natin kung mabibit the second player ang 2 points mo. Hello po, good morning. Dahan-dahan lang, good morning po. Ano pong pangalan mo po? Okay, ilang taon ka na po? Yes, how old are you na po? How old are you? 3. Nag-i-school ka na po? Yes, nag-i-school na siya. Kaya mo yun? Happy birthday, Kena! Kaya mo? Palakpakan for our player number 2. 1, 2, 3, sing! 1, 2 seconds, 10! Wow! So, meron tayong dalawang defending winner. Pag muna kayo maalasan, stand na kayo dyan. Antayin natin kung mabibit ni third player ang 2 points ninyong dalawa. Kasit na kayo dito, kaya mo na naupo si Kuya Bel. O dito ka, baby girl. Kasit na kayo, sit na. Happy birthday, Kena. Mahaba ah. 1, 2, 3, sing. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds. Okay, consider na yung consider. So, palakpakan naman dyan para kay Zoe. Sige, okay na natin ka na mag-sing. Palakpakan naman dyan para kay Siya. 1, 2, 3, sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 seconds na may kasama pang 3 away! Nagagawin naman. Singer talaga siya. By the way, meron ka pong consolation prize. Maraming salamat sa pagsali. You may go back to your seat. Meron kang pencil na for sure magagamit mo sa school. Andito ka muna siya. Ikaw ang ating defending winner with 19 seconds. Last player po. Sit down. You may remove your face mask so that you can see well. Sige po, pwede po natin i-remove ang face mask. Ano na? Sige. Anong pangalan niyo po? Cyrus. Ilang taon naman si Cyrus? 10 years old. Ready ka na mag-sing? Ready na. Yes po. Asin ka dito, kasi magsising na si Kuya Cyrus. Mabibig kayo ni Kuya Cyrus ang 9 points ni Zia. 1, 2, 3, sing! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30 seconds! Pati ako hilingan! Palakpakan naman dyan para kay Kuya Cyrus! We have a winner! Dito ka sa gitna kasi si Kuya Ben. Bibigyan ka ng special prize at meron kang pencil case. Congratulations! Good for si Zia, meron kang Jollibee pencil. Okay, thank you so much sa mga nanalo, sa mga non-winners. Next game na po tayo para sa ating next game. Let's play Bring Me Game na favorite ng mga bata as well as ng mga mama at papa. Ang item na ito ay pwedeng gamit ni Papa, pwedeng gamit ni Kuya, pwedeng gamit din Lolo. Panglalaki ang gamit na ito. Ang gamit na ito ay nakasabit sa bewang. Ang gamit na ito ay nagsisimula sa letter S. Huwag mo namang tatanggal, wala pa ako sinasabi. Wala mo namang magbabawas ng sinturon, wala pa kami sinasabi. Ang gamit na ito ay tama, susi sa kotse. Congratulations sa lang kahirap-hirap. O diba? Effortless na effortless. Congratulations po. Thank you po for the effort. Next ay step number 1, facing the Jolly Cups, you have to hold the Twirly's magic wand. Up muna. Step number 2, pag sinabi ko ready, set, go, it's time for you to lift up, grab, and transfer. Step number 3, I will count 10, 9, 8. The first player dito ka kasi kayo yung pinakamagandang sumay. Yung iba dito muna kayo sa side and wait for your turn. Huwag mo nang gagalaw dito kayo, panoorin natin sila. Tapos mag-count kayo ha, para mas ma-excite si Kuya. Ano pangalan niyo po? Rico. Ilang taon na po si Kuya Rico? 9 years old. Handa ka na ba manalo? Opo. Palakpakan ka naman dyan para kay Kuya Rico malakas. Don't lose hope. Oh, ganyan dapat. Very good. Practice pa rin Kuya Rico ha. Alam kong kaya mo yan. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright! Kuya Rico got 4 points. Kay Kuya Rico, huwag ka muna babalik sa upuan. Stand ka dito kasi ikaw ang ating defending winner. Let's wait for the next player kung mabilis niya ang 4 seconds. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Yay! You got 1 point. By the way, good job. Bye-bye! Congratulations! I'll give mo na kay Kuya Gal yung Twirly's magic wand. Ikaw na yung next? O siya na yung next. Sit ka na po. Thank you. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, alip mo na, 7, 6, 5, 4, press malakas, 3, 2, and 1! Yay! 1 point also! Okay, sir, hello po. Ano pangalan niyo po? Sia, ready ka na mag-play? Hawakan mo na ilang puntos kaya ang makukuha ni Zia. Marigay kayo ni Zia ang 4 points ni Kuya Rico. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The time is up, everyone. Zia got 1 point only. By the way, good job, Zia. Thank you for joining. You may go back to your seat. Last player po, eto na siya. Kanina pa siya excited. Ano yung pangalan niyo po? Cyrus. Ilang taon ka na Cyrus? 8. Ready ka na mag-play? Ready na, hawakan mo na. Press mo na malakas ha. Please welcome Cyrus. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yay! Nakaabang talaga siya sa eto. 4 points. Iwan hindi ba rin sabi 4 points? Ano pong pangalan mo po?
Andre.
Andre. Ilang taon na po si Andre?
8.
Ready ka na mag-play? Hawakan mo na to, Andre. Andre, pakita mo yung galing mo. Eto na. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Time is up. Andre got 1 point. Si Kuya Rico, nakangiti talaga siya. Sabi, yes, ako pa rin yung winner. Last turn na tayo. Hello po, ano pong pangalan niyo po? Favorite. Ilang taon ka na po? Gagalingan niyo po? Yes, gagalingan ni Kuya. Kami na yung isang cup para makuha ni Kuya. Ito na. Ali tayo kami girl, dalawa tayo dito. Yay! Dalawa tayo host. Ready, set, go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You're almost there! Hindi umabot sa we have a winner. Congratulations for Kuya Rico with 4 points. Up here, good job also. Thank you so much. Bago manalo, 1, 2, 3, smile. O yung girls naman, picture muna bago manalo. Bago manalo. Ready, 1, 2, 3, smile. Kailangan i-claim talaga natin, i-manifest natin na panalo tayo today. Okay girls, watch and learn. It's 2 meters away. Ready, set, and go! Shot number 1. And that's down that shot number 2. Pagkas ng mga bola. Ready, set, go! Shot number 1. Up, that's down there. Shot number 2. Energy, energy. Up, up. Away back. Yay! Thank you for the effort. Shot number 3. Up, that's down there. Congratulations for the boys team with 4 points. By the way, thank you so much, girls. Thank you for the effort. You did great. You're a great players. But most of all, thank you so much to everyone for being such a good sport. Okay, let's start natin ang boys. Meron kayong prizes. Prizes. Congratulations po. Meron kayong Pum Card, Mr. Yalcon, and Shasta. Thank you po. Sino ang winners today at the drive? Let's have a picture with Mommy, Daddy, and Kena. You have to show your Jollibee prizes.
Yeah.
Messi Kenna. Hello everybody! Johnny morning to everyone, but of course, Johnny is birthday Kenna from your friend, Johnny. That's the Johnny inside for you to meet our birthday girl sa kanyang adorable and cute first birthday party. She is Kenna. Together with her proud and loving parents, it's time for you to meet also Mommy Kay and Daddy Noel. As I will be calling out for Councilor City of Manila, Mang Papo Goso will be set up here to give a birthday message for Kenna's first birthday. Please welcome a big round of applause for Councilor Papo Goso.
Hello po, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. So, patuloy naiiyak po sila dahil birthday party ko. Pero anyway, sa aking inaanak, happy birthday! Sana nag-enjoy ka at taon-taon, meron kang Jollibee birthday party, diba? Enjoy your birthday, tsaka maraming salamat sa pagkakuha mo sa akin ng inang mo. Akong bahala sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Okay, so once again, maraming salamat pa, Mang Papo Goso for the birthday greetings for Kenna's first birthday. Thank you so much, Jollibee. Okay naman, thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, for the wonderful birthday greetings. At this moment, let us acknowledge the presence of Councilor of the City of Manila, Ma'am Apple Iena. So please come up here to give your greetings for Kenna's first birthday.
Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Pare-pare, thank you sa pag-imbita nyo at naging pati ako ng pag-birthday ni Kenna. At naabutan ko pa si Jollibee nagsasaya. Ayun, ang wish ko sa iyo, baby, na lumabig kang mabuting tao. Siyempre, especially na magkaroon ka ng takot sa ating Panginoon. At lagi sa susunod kay Maki at Daddy at magpakabait. Muli po, maraming salamat, Mare at Pare. At syempre, sa bawat birthday dance. So, thank you.
Okay, so masaganda namin salamat, Councilor Ma'am Apple Iena, for your message for Kenna's first birthday. At this moment, it's time for us to give honor to the birthday celebrator. Pag pinuha pa ng 3 time na twice sabay-sabay papalakpak ang mga kinakanta ang pinakamalakas birthday girl. Ano kaya ang nilalaman ng Jollibee Jollibee? Wow! Thank you so much, Jollibee, for the cute Jollibee mini lamp. At meron pang another gift si Jollibee sa ating birthday girl. Ito ang kanyang 3 Jollibee wishes. At ang unang wish si Jollibee for Kenna na siya ay lumaki isang gandang bata, gandang kalooban, kagaya ni Mommy at ni Daddy. But of course, ang second wish si Jollibee for Kenna na siya ay lumaki isang bata, matalino at maabot ang mga dreams sa buhay. To become a beautiful and successful Kenna someday. At ang third wish si Jollibee for Kenna na siya ay lumaki isang bata, always be happy just like Jollibee, dahil sa Jollibee Bika ang saya. Okay, Kenna, marami ka ng itinatanda, magpapamahal ang iyong mga pamilya at kaibigan. And of course, ang mga Jollibee ko Jollibee at hindi siya say naman, it's time for you to share your gift or blessings. Para sa gusto-gusto ng pad, nais ko po na yung mga bata ay mag-calling line dito sa harapan para in-name yung mga lupag. Isang line sa boys, isang line sa girls.
Say
I believe. Once again, hanggang sa muli, Jollibee, paalam. Thank you for coming. At this time, para sa pinakamasarap at pinakamasayang first birthday party ni Kenna, in behalf of Team Jollibee Rizal Park, we would like to thank the proud and loving parents for Mommy Kay and Sir Noel. Maraming salamat po, Mommy and Daddy, for making us part of Kenna first birthday party here at Jollibee Rizal Park. To all the Jolly guests to be part and spend their time para i-celebrate po ang birthday party ni Kenna. Maraming salamat po sa presence niyo lahat. This birthday party will not be beautiful after this without your presence. So muna, and your party host, Tia, kasama ang aking party assistant na si Kuya Chong, na nagsasabi, till next time, see you sa Jollibee Rizal Park sa Bida ang saya. Have a jolly morning to everyone. Happy Saturday, and of course, jolly birthday to your Kenya from your friend here at Jollibee Rizal.